Hey guys, welcome back. Today's project we're looking at doing is hooking up one of these cable hoists up onto the ceiling of my garage. I'm always in here lifting up pumps and generators and whatever else up onto the workbench or up onto a table so I can work on them a bit better, or I'm working on my ATVs, all those machines, and it's getting a little tiring on the back, so I'm going to put one of these in. Got this one off of Amazon. It's about 120 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description, you can check that out. And I'm going to hook it up with one of these barn door rails. So I'm going to screw this up to the ceiling and then that to it, and then we'll see how it goes. And hopefully it's all going to work out well. One thing to think about, on trusses, the load is designed to come down. So you want to make sure that any support is coming into the downward onto this. You pull on this. This isn't designed to be pulled from the bottom, but this load is designed to come pushing into here, and that's how it gets its structure. So I'm going to attach it to this 2x4 here coming down and give myself enough space down below for this to attach. Okay, we got it all completed. Let's just have a quick look on how it's all put together. You can look here so that I've got it secured to each one of the trusses along here. I put a pin in the end of the rail so it's not going to blow off. I put this little piece of cable right here so that the electrical wire can slide on it without having to be hanging down. Oh, it goes all the way across here, and that's to my power outlet here. They give you a lot of cable for the control box here, so I've got that coiled up at the top. And I just put this bungee on here so that if I need to, I can just pull it down to where I need to work, and it'll go back up and stay up out of my way. Hey guys, well, there you have it. So one cable hoist installed in the better part of an afternoon. So all in all, not a super complex job, just a lot of little moving parts to trying to get lined up. Didn't have a lot of trouble with it. If you got any questions or comments or how you think I can improve it or things that I shouldn't have done, go ahead and put them down in the comment box. I'll have a look at them, see if we can and make an improvement or a part 2 of this. I got a few other videos, you want to check those out. And otherwise, that's about it, guys. Until next time, cheers.